A very good morning, my dear students. So, today again, Mrs. Charan, she's back with you to teach you all EVS. So, children, do you remember yesterday what we were doing in EVS? Which lesson? Yes, lesson number 7, My Health. Lesson 7, My Health. Yes, so what we have seen that health, it is very, very important for each one of us. And it is said that health is like a wealth, and healthy person is always the happiest person in the world. And for that we all have seen some steps. Okay, and if we will follow those steps, what will be the result? We all will be healthy. And the main thing that uh, make us healthy is cleanliness. It is said that keeping cleanliness is the key to good health. Okay, so let's quickly revise those points. Okay, that we have done yesterday. Those points. Okay, the first point that we have seen, in order to keep ourselves healthy, we have to brush our teeth regularly and twice a day. Twice a day, it means in the morning and at night. Then then you should take bath every day. What we have to do, we have to take bath every day. Then only we can keep ourselves clean, and cleanliness again key to good health. Then oil massage. Okay, we have to massage our hair with oil once in a week. Then we also have seen we should wash our hair with shampoo. Okay, when we are taking bath, when we wash hair, that time we have to wash our hair with shampoo, and we should comb our hair daily. Then after taking bath, what we have to do, when we wipe our body, we have to wipe ourselves with a clean towel, and clean our ears with the moist towel. Then we also have seen that we should wear well clean and iron clothes. Well clean and iron clothes. Because if we wear clean iron clothes, what will happen? We will look smart. Huh? Okay, then we should trim our nails every week. Every week, what we should do? We should trim our nails, and because dirty nails, it doesn't look good. Also, to keep dirty nails, it looks ugly, and it have germs under the skin that makes us sick. Then we should always eat fresh and healthy food. Fresh and healthy food. If we eat healthy food, okay, our body will be healthy. And we should not eat stale food. Yesterday I was telling you, okay, the stale food makes us sick. We should always eat fresh food. Okay, so this was all we have done yesterday, but today we will going to continue the same lesson, that is lesson number 7, My Health. So today let us do the second part of this lesson, My Health. So we'll be continuing the same lesson, and as I have told you that today we will going to see some more points. Okay, so with me, take out page number 36. Okay, children. So have you all taken it out? Lesson 7, My Health, and page 35. Sorry, I'm sorry. Yeah, 36. Okay. Okay. Let's read the first point. We should wash our hands before and after every meal. Very, very important. Before and after every meal we should wash our hands, because as we all know that dirty hands, okay, if we eat our food with dirty hands, what will happen? All the dirt will go inside our stomach and that will make us sick. So we should not forget, children, do you all wash your hands? You can even see in the picture also boys standing washing hands. It's very important. Okay. Now, number 2. We should wash our hands with an antiseptic lotion or soap after using toilet. Now, whenever we go to the toilet, what we have to do? We have to whenever we use toilet, we have to wash our hands with soap. And we can even use antiseptic lotion also. Now come to the third point. In order to keep ourselves healthy. Now the third point is we should cover our mouth and nose while sneezing and coughing. It is also a bad manners, na children. If we cough and sneeze, and if we will not cover our face, cover our mouth and nose. Okay, so it is very important to cover our mouth and nose while sneezing and coughing. Okay, now come to fourth point. We should avoid fried chips. I think you all love chips, puris, and other junk food as they are bad for our health. Okay, now these food are called junk food, like puris, fried chips. Okay, we should not eat fried chips because they are not good for our health, and these type of food are called junk food. They are not healthy food. Children, you should know the difference. Junk food and healthy food. Junk food, burger, your chow mein, your pizza, these all are junk food. Though they are tasty, okay, tasty to eat, but they are not good for our health. Okay, now come to fifth point. It says we should not eat too much sweets and chocolates. We should not eat too much. Okay, if you are eating one or two, okay, that's fine, but when you eat too much of it, na, that is not good, because sweets, it spoils your teeth. You'll have cavity, you'll have infection in the teeth, so it is better not to eat too much of sweets and chocolates. Now the other point, we should drink pure water, almost 7 to 8 glasses a day. So how many glasses of water we should drink in a day? 7 to 8 glasses of water in a day. Okay, children, in the previous lesson, okay, I'll tell you, in lesson number 11, 4, food and water. Now there it is mentioned that we should drink 6 to 7 glasses of water, and in this lesson it is mentioned 7 to 8. So the water quantity that you drink, it should not be less than 6. Understand? 6 liter. Uh, so you should drink not minimum 6 glasses of water every day. And even if you are drinking more than 6 glasses of water, that is very good. That is very good for your health. So we have seen the last point, that is we should drink pure water. First of all, the water should be pure, clean, and it should be 6 to 8 glasses. 6 to 8 glasses. Okay. So children, let's once again let's going to revise what we have studied. Okay. So let's revise those points again. Okay. There are some more things that we can do to keep us healthy. Okay. Yesterday we have seen some points. Now today also we will going to see some more points, and we have to remember those points. We have to follow those points to keep ourselves healthy. Now the first point, we should wash our hands before and after every meal. After every meal, meal. Okay, how many meals you have in a day? 3 meals, na? Breakfast, lunch, and dinner. So before and after every meal, children, what you have to do? You have to wash your hands properly. Now, the second, we should wash our hands with it. Now, while washing hands, we can use either soap also or antiseptic lotion also. Then, we should cover our mouth and nose when? While sneezing and coughing. Children, though it is written in the book which sneezing, which is not the correct word. You have to write while, while, while sneezing and coughing. Then the next point, we should avoid fried chips, puris, and other junk food. These all are called junk food. These are junk food, and children, junk food is not at all good for our health. Now let's see the example of junk food like pizza, samosa, burger, chow mein, puri, all fried things. They are junk food, and junk food not at all good for our body. So we should always eat healthy food. We should always eat healthy food, because healthy food only will make our body healthy, not the junk food. Okay. Then number 5, we should not eat too much sweets and chocolate. Sweets and chocolates not good for health, not good for your teeth. Okay, so it is better not to eat too much of sweets and chocolate. Though I know children, you all love eating sweets, chocolate. Eat, but not much. Okay? Okay, then we should drink at least how many glasses of water? 6 to 8 glasses of water in a day. That is very, very important for your health. So, at least 6 glasses minimum. And even if you drink more, it is very good. It is good for your health. So now children, for your homework, what you have to do, you have to read this page 36. Okay, and you have to learn all the points that I taught you today in order to keep ourselves healthy. Okay children, there are how many points? There are 6 points. Now there is one more homework for you. Okay, and that homework is activity. activity. You can find it in page 38, page number 38. Okay, now on top you can see now activity. It's written cut the pictures of comb, shampoo, hair oil, toothpaste, toothbrush and soap. Then paste them here. Where you have to paste? You have to paste it in the box. Paste it in the box. So in the book only, okay children, in the book only on top you can write homework, you can write name of the lesson, then date, and you have to collect pictures, okay, in the newspaper or magazine, from any old book, okay, you can find pictures, okay, and then you have to cut those pictures and you have to paste them in these boxes. So how many pictures are there? There are 6 pictures. How many pictures? 6 pictures of comb, 1 shampoo, 2 hair oil, 3 then toothpaste, 4 toothbrush, 5 and 6 is soap. Now, okay, any color comb, okay, you can cut the picture of, then shampoo, any shampoo, hair oil, any hair oil, then toothpaste, any toothpaste, then toothbrush and soap. Okay, so you can paste picture of these items, okay, that we use to keep our self clean. So this was about your homework children. Now tomorrow we will, what we will do children? The lesson is over. Once again we will do the revision of the whole lesson so that you may understand more. And then we will do the exercises. We will do the exercises of this lesson, that is lesson number 7, my health. Lesson 7, my health. Okay children, so this was all about the lesson today that we have learned, and tomorrow again we all will meet and we will going to listen. Okay, so children, what we have to do during this corona time, we have to keep ourselves clean, isn't it? How you can keep yourself clean? You have to use sanitizer to keep your hands clean. You have to keep distance, okay, and what else children? Then the third thing that you have to do is you have to wear mask. So these are the 3 points again you have to remember in order to keep yourself healthy, in order to keep yourself away from diseases, and the most important disease that our country is facing today is COVID-19 coronavirus. Okay children, so what you have to do, you have to wear mask, you have to keep distance, then you have to, the first and the most important, you have to keep you have to sanitize your hands, okay, time to time. Okay, so now children, tomorrow again we all will be meeting and tomorrow we'll be continuing same lesson. Okay, we'll do the exercise as I told you before, and till then I want each one of you follow these rules at home so that you can keep yourself away, you can protect yourself from this dangerous disease coronavirus. Okay, take care of yourself, obey your parents, okay, and be good, study well. Okay, then we all will meet tomorrow. Goodbye and take care.